If you build a business, every day you wake up, it's very easy to feel overwhelmed. There's always something else to do, and it feels like you can never have enough time to cram in all the things that need to be done. You might be freelancing with a regular job, building a business on the side with a regular job, or you're going business full-time. Doesn't matter which of those scenarios you're in, it always feels like there's more to do than we have time for, and therefore we always feel behind. Well, there's a reason we feel behind. And that is because in our mind, we have decided that this, and this is how much we need to get done today and by the end of the week and by the end of the month. And therefore, because we've set up that standard, when we don't achieve that standard, it creates disappointment. And that disappointment creates stress, and that stress can create frustration and cause us to feel like we're not doing a good enough job. I want to remind you something that Jesus shared in Matthew 6 that gives me a ton of peace even when I'm overwhelmed with a ton of stuff to do. In Matthew 6, he says each day has enough trouble of its own. And if you look to the sky and notice the birds, they're not reaping, they're not sowing, they're not filling up barns, they're not going out cultivating fields, they're definitely not building a business. And yet somehow God makes sure that they get the food they need. They have feathers as their clothing, they're protected, and they live a happy singing life. How is that they have so much lighthearted freedom and joy, and yet we get all stressed and wrangled about stuff? Well, first of all, we do have a far superior brain, so we can think a lot more and plan more, and that creates stress. But there's something to be learned from the birds. Have you considered this? Your mind was designed to only handle 24 hours at a time, and a third of that time, you're sleeping. In fact, you need to sleep a third of the time just to recuperate to handle the next 24 hours minus 8. So what I do is I simply ask myself, when I get to the end of the day, even if I didn't get everything done I wanted to, it is okay. I'm going to close the chapter of the day. I'm going to go to bed and I'm going to wake up refreshed. And here's the cool part. Even if you didn't get done what you hoped to get done, that means you were not meant to get done what you hoped to get done. And this won't change. Like if you go back to your teens or your 20s, if you're my age, I'm in my 40s. In your 20s, it was always the same way. You always would wake up and, I got tons of stuff to do. And you get to the end of the day and I didn't get it all done. Same thing happened in the 30s. Same thing happens in my 40s. It doesn't change. So instead of trying to change this cycle, which is insanity, why not stop and say, I'm just going to do the most important task first. I'm going to knock out the most difficult tasks as well. And if I don't get everything done, it's okay. I'm going to enjoy this process. Am I going to work hard? Of course. Am I going to push myself? Yes. Am I competing against others? 100,000%. And I love that. But to get stressed over not getting everything done is silly. It does absolutely nothing for you. It's like worry. It's like a rocking chair. It gives you something to do, but it doesn't get you anywhere. Now, some people take a very pessimistic approach and say, well, I hate work. I can't stand work. I don't like building my business. I don't like my 9 to 5. And I would encourage you to look at your perspective, because when God put Adam and Eve in the garden, the first thing the major thing he gave them was to cultivate the garden. We're supposed to actually spend the majority of our life on this earth working. I love work. I love what I do. I love the challenge. I enjoy the stress. I like having new challenges every day. It is the joy of my heart. So if you're struggling with even enjoying what you do, maybe you're doing the wrong thing. Either it needs an attitude change, or maybe you're not actually doing what you were designed to do and what you're most naturally gifted at. And I would encourage you to look into that. But work is a gift. It is not a curse. But with work, there's heartache and stress. But you can ease that burden if you just remember this one thing. Do the best you can with what you have, but when the day's over, it's over. Go to sleep. Enjoy your sleep. Get up the next day and do it with joy again. Don't spend the best years of your life stressing over something you can't control. You can control you, but you can't control everything you get done in a 24-hour period, and that is okay. I'm still breathing. You're still breathing. I'm alive. You're alive. I'm growing and learning and succeeding, and I pray to God that is the same for you.